Today we will continue with the English literature chapter, Sandalwood Trees, and yesterday we have done exercise B, question answers, and today we will move on with answer with reference to the context, exercise C. So we will be doing reference to the context today. The first one, I am so different from the other girls now. Moreover, everyone will make fun of me. Part A, who said these words? Alright, so who said these words?
Ma'am Sunanda.
Okay, so write down the answer. Sunanda said these words. Your answer would be Sunanda said these words. Okay. B. How was the speaker different from the other girls? Yes, how was the speaker different from the other girls? What do you think?
Ma'am, because she is blind now.
Okay.
She was not blind.
Okay. Write down. Sunanda was different. Sunanda was different from the other girls. From the other girls because she could not see. Because she could not see. Full stop. I will repeat. Sunanda was different from the other girls because she could not see. Alright. The C part here. Why did the speaker feel so dejected? Why did the speaker? Okay, write down. Sunanda felt dejected. Sunanda felt dejected. D-E-J-E-C-T-E-D. Sunanda felt dejected because Rao Garu, name of a person, R will be capital, because Rao Garu wanted to send her back to school, but she didn't want to go. Did not, short form D-I-D and apostrophe T, but she didn't want to go. Full stop. She had lost her ability. She had lost her ability of sight. She had lost her ability of sight, and she feared that the other students would make fun of her. Full stop. I will repeat. Sunanda felt dejected because Rao Garu wanted to send her back to school, but she didn't wanted to go. Full stop. She had lost her ability of sight, and she feared that the other students would make fun of her. So that is why she felt dejected. She felt so sad. Alright. Okay, next. Second one. He is denuding the hillsides by cutting down the trees. The trees actually help to keep the mountain's mass together. Okay, who is he in these lines? So when we say he is denuding the hillsides, who are we referring to? What do you think?
Ma'am, people.
People? Okay, man in
Ma'am,
general.
humans.
Yes, humans.
Humans.
Right? Okay, write down. Write man, M-A-N, man slash human. Is being referred. Is being referred. Single F, double R. R-E-F-E, double R-E-D. Referred. R-E-F-E, double R-E-D. Referred to as he. Put he in single quotes. Man is being referred to as he. Put he in single quotes in these lines. In these lines. Full stop. B part. What has resulted from the denuding of the hillsides? Okay. So because of denuding, what is happening?
Landslides. And the landslides are occurring.
Okay, correct. Landslides. Write
And
down.
landslides.
Due to the denuding, due to the denuding of the hillsides, due to the denuding, D-E-N-U-D-I-N-G, of the hillsides, comma, landslides are occurring. Landslides are occurring. O-C-C-U-R-I-N-G. O-C-C-U-R-I-N-G. Full stop. Any stray disturbance. Any stray disturbance.
Ma'am, after landslides.
Landslides are occurring. Full stop. Any stray disturbance. Any stray, S-T-R-A-Y, any stray disturbance under the earth's surface. Any stray disturbance under the earth's apostrophe S, under the earth's surface is causing chunks of the land, is causing chunks of the land to slide down, is causing chunks of the land to slide down. Full stop. I'll repeat. Due to the denuding of the hillsides, comma, landslides are occurring. Any full stop, after occurring full stop, any stray disturbance under the earth's surface is causing chunks of the land to slide down. Full stop. Alright, next part. See, do you think these actions can be reversed? How can we help the planet? Okay, write down the answer. These actions cannot be reversed. These actions cannot be reversed. R-E-V-E-R-S-E-D. R-E-V-E-R-S-E-D. These actions cannot be reversed, full stop. We can help the situation, after full stop. We can help the situation. We can help the situation by planting more trees, by planting more trees than we are felling, by planting more trees than we are felling. FELLING, FELLING, more trees than we are felling means cutting. Felling is cutting down. So planting more trees than we are felling, full stop. If we cut after felling, full stop. If we cut less trees, if we cut less trees and plant more, comma, landslides, comma, famines, 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 famines.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yes, what about the rest? Are you able to hear me or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shag, beta, maybe some network issues. It will be okay in a while, don't worry. Okay, so I'll continue with the same sentence. If we cut less trees and plant more, comma, landslides, comma, famines, FAMINES, and floods, FLOODS, and floods can be prevented, and floods can be prevented, full stop. Other ways of helping, the planet, other ways of helping the planet are reducing, reducing, are reducing air and water pollution, air and water pollution, 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 water pollution, full stop. I'll repeat the whole answer again. These actions cannot be reversed, full stop. We can help the situation by planting more trees than we are felling, full stop. If we cut less trees and plant more, comma, landslides, comma, famines and floods can be prevented, full stop. Other ways of helping the planet are reducing air and water pollution, full stop. Okay, so let's move on to the third one. Enough for today, Ramesh. It's getting to be 2 o'clock. And remember, 10% of the money you earn by selling this sandalwood is mine. Who said these words? Guess, what do you think?
Ma'am, Mudaliar.
Okay. Right, correct. Write down the answer. Part A. Mudaliar said these words. Mudaliar, MUDALIAR, MUDALIAR. Mudaliar said these words. Full stop. Alright, B1. Apart from the speaker and the person being spoken to, who else was present at the scene? Okay, so
Ma'am, Sunanda. Ma'am, Sunanda and the Gugu.
Okay, Sunanda and Gugu were also present, right? Write down the answer. Apart from Mudaliar, apart from Mudaliar, Mudaliar, and Ramesh, Ramesh, comma, Sunanda, 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 and Gugu, were present. Sunanda and Gugu were present at the scene. SCENE, at the scene. SCENE, full stop. I will repeat this answer again. Apart from Mudaliar and Ramesh, comma, Sunanda and Gugu were present at the scene. Full stop. And the last one here. At this point, what mystery is unraveled to the readers? At this point, what mystery is unraveled to the readers? Yes. Write down the answer. At this point, comma, the readers get to know. At this point, comma, the readers get to know that Mudaliar was involved, involved, in the Sandalwood racket, full stop. I will repeat the answer again. At this point, comma, the readers get to know that Mudaliar was involved in the Sandalwood racket, full stop. Okay, have all of you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.